Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, there is this ongoing airdrop about bags. Like I've been seeing this update. Do you understand? So I was actually like waiting for some few things, and also I was actually making research about it. So this airdrop has been going on for over 1 week now and plus. Do you understand? And people have been tweeting about it. Do you understand? So you can see, like, even people with yellow tick are talking about it. Do you understand? Get ready for at the bag app. We have no idea what this is, but you don't fade. So remember not to fade anything in the crypto space. Do you understand? So first of all, now there is a link I'm going to drop under this video on this video description. Do you understand? So click on that link and register, and then just stay tuned. I'm going to walk you through. Do you understand? So now I'm going to I don't have an account, so I'm going to like get one now. So guys, when you click on that link here, something like this will show up, and then you click on this. You see claim my badge, claim my bag link below. You can see that. So you're actually going to click on it. Please give this video a thumbs up. You understand? So I've clicked on it. Share this video so the others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through crypto. So when you click on claim my badge link now, it's actually going to see badge.fm wants to access your RS account as usual. You understand? So you click on authorize app. So when you click on authorize app, now you allow it to load. Okay, so automatically your all you have to, okay, that means all you have to register with is your S account, your Twitter account. So once you give it permission, then it will open. Okay, so now you say share my badge link. So once you're done with the registration, you click on share my bag link. Do you see that? Then invite your friends. Understand? So once you register, you can invite your friends, but if you can't invite your friends, can you just leave it like that? That way you have actually positioned yourself for the airdrop. Do you understand? So, and just add this to your home screen so that you will not forget about it. So to add it to your home screen now, all you have to do is to click on these three dots at the right hand side, at the upper side. So when you click on it, you click on add to home page, home screen I mean. So click on it. Yeah, it's just my name now. So I can now just decided to edit the name, and then I will write it bags. You understand? I will just write the name. You understand? So that will be all for now, guys. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel, you join the channel. I post there are some updates that I post there that are not actually here on YouTube, based on I can't do a video about it. So do well to join the channel. You understand? So I will just save it like this. I've added it to my home screen. So guys, that will be all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.